Hey, what's going on, guys? It is delivery day. Finally delivery day. It's been a long night and a long morning. I caught all kind of hell trying to get this car loaded on. I'm doing these cars by myself, moving them around. The ones that don't run, the ones that do run, but the ones that don't run, trying to move them around. It's been rainy, it's been slippery. Trying to get them pushed up on these ramps and stuff, man, on these trailers. It's a nightmare. It's a nightmare. But I got it done. I got it done. So it's delivery day. I'm really excited. Darian, this is your car, man. This is your car. So I'm on my way to come drop this off to your house, and I am really looking forward to this whole project that you're going to be taking on with your son, restoring this car, putting your own touches on there, and having fun with it. So congratulations again, and everyone else who participated in the raffle and didn't win, you know, sorry, but do know that this is going to a good home. It's going to be in good hands, and I'm really excited to see how the car turns out. So we're all loaded up, chained up, and ready to go. So we'll get going. Got the title and everything inside the truck, so we're all set. All right, in Cleveland, get ready to drop off the raffle car, the '63 Chevy Impala. Really excited to drop this off to the winner, Mr. Darian Laska, and I know him and his son are looking forward to restoring this car and getting it back up and going. So just a few minutes away from dropping this car off to the winner for the '63 raffle, and I know he's excited about getting this thing and restoring it with his son. I'm really excited to see a father and son project. That's a beautiful thing. It really is. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop this off here in a few minutes and introduce everyone to Darian. All right guys, what's going on? So here in Ohio, here with Erin. Erin's gonna be building this car with his father. Drop off went really well. Weather was horrible leaving Indiana, but nice and sunny here in Ohio, as you can see. But I'm gonna go ahead and introduce Erin real quick, and gonna show what they're gonna be working on. All right, so here's Erin.
Well,
so Erin, this car here, '63 Chevy Impala. I know your father is very excited about this.
yes,
How do you feel about this project?
I'm just excited.
Awesome.
This is a dream come true.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I spoke with Erin and his father, and they've got some pretty cool vehicles already. So this would be another awesome vehicle added to the fleet of vehicles they have. So you know, with some time and some elbow grease and money, this car is going to turn around and be awesome. So stay tuned. We'll check back with Erin and his father, see how the build's going on, and let's go ahead and jump on to the next one.